lovelies, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video is a makeup haul video. So I have quite a few things. I placed an order with ColourPop recently. I found some stuff at Ulta, TJ Maxx, and Walmart and Ross. So this is basically just an accumulation of my recent buys. So I'm just going to show you guys what all I picked up recently. But to no further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. I think I'm just going to start with some products that I found at Walmart. I've been trying to find some highlighters from Physicians Formula. My local Walmart hasn't been carrying them, and that's the only place I can find Physicians Formula, or at least that I know of. But anyways, so I picked up two products from Walmart from Physicians Formula. So this one is this Butter Coffee Bronzer. This is new. I thought this was really interesting. It looks like a mocha or like a latte of some sort. Super cute. I'm not exactly sure how well I'm going to like this product because from looking at it now, I do see some shimmer, but I don't know. I think the print on it is really cute. Ooh, it smells. I can smell it. It smells like vanilla. That's great. So this is the Butter Coffee. Oh, wow. That smells great. There it is. I like the coffee beans on the packaging. So there's what it looks like. I'm curious to try this out. I don't remember how much I paid for that. And then I picked up this Glow Face Palette from Physicians Formula. I really mainly got it for the highlighter because, like I said, I've been trying to hunt down the highlighter, and this palette has a highlighter in it. I do already have the butter bronzer part, but this blush shade looks really nice, and then, of course, the highlighter looks really nice, too. So it's a cute little palette. So those are two things I found from Walmart. And then I found one product at Ross when I went to Ross. So this is from Becca, and this is the Rose Gold Highlighter. It's a mini. I only paid $4 for this, so I was like, you know what? Why not? I mean, so it's a cute little mini. I am a little concerned that it will be a little too dark for me, but let's swatch it. Yeah, it may be a smidge too dark, but I may be able to sheer it out, and it is very pretty, though. Anyway, so there's my little odd and ends kind of products. Then I went to TJ Maxx, and I found a couple of products there. So first up, from Ciate, London, I found this Miss Piggy collection, which is interesting because I just bought the Miss Piggy collection palette, blush palette, off of BoxyCharm, and then I see this at Ulta, and this was only like $5. And it is a lip balm, but I wouldn't really consider it a lip balm. It looks like a lipstick to me. It looks very bright pink, but I mean, I guess it is a lip balm. It's like a very light wash of pink. I don't know, I thought it was kind of interesting, so I went ahead and picked it up. I do like the packaging. It has like the magnetic cap. Then I found something from BH Cosmetics there. This is the Vanilla Strawberry Truffle Blush Palette, which I was really excited to see this. I only paid $5 for this because I've been wanting to try out one of BH's blush palettes. So there's what it looks like, and then here are the shades. They look pretty nice. This one does have like a little chip in it, but it's fine. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to try this out. I don't have much from BH Cosmetics, but I've heard a lot of people talk about it and say that they like the brand. Then I picked up something from Marc Jacobs. I paid $16.99 for this, and this is the Omega Glaze highlighter. So the packaging is super cute, and then I really like the packaging. Like on the actual product, I love the little cherry thing. And this one, again, is unfortunately one that I think may be a smidge too dark for me, but I'm going to try to get it to work. It's a gorgeous shade, though. Like I said, I might be able to get it to sheer out. It's so pretty. And if it doesn't work, then I'll pass it on to somebody else, but I just couldn't resist. Then what I recently picked up from Ulta. So Of course, I picked up some ColourPop products because I saw these in store. And I thought about picking these up when it launched, but I just kind of didn't want to order it. So when I saw it there, I was like, hey, sweet. So I got a couple of products from the Powerpuff Girl collection. I picked up the palette and one of the blushes. Their packaging is so cute. And here's what the palette looks like. Some very nice, bright colors, but it does have some neutrals. So I just thought it looked like a fun palette. And at this point, I am kind of collecting ColourPop's palettes. Then I picked up one of the blushes. This one's in the shade Saving the World. So again, kind of the same packaging. And then here's the shade. It's a nice peach. I love the heart packaging. So next up, I picked a product from one of the 21 Days of Beauty sale. I got the Too Faced Natural Nudes palette. I've been dying to get my hands on this. I've been wanting this for a really long time, but I'd never wanted to pay the price that they were asking, because I think it's like $48 or something. But I got it on sale for $24, and I was like, that's a really good deal. So I'm super, super happy to have this finally in my collection. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous palette. I'm really excited to try this one out. Whenever people talk about Too Faced, majority of people talk about this palette and how it's like a staple to have in your collection. So yeah, I was super glad that they did a sale on this. Alright, and then the last of my haul is my ColourPop order. I placed an order, it was actually a while back, I just haven't gotten around to filming this video. Anyways, I picked up some products that I've been wanting for a really long time. And the whole reason why, usually if I place an order with ColourPop, I at least try to spend $30 so I can get free shipping. So that's why I ordered kind of more than I was planning on ordering, because I saw these two products that they had finally restocked. I've been waiting forever, especially for this powdered bronzer. I've been wanting this for forever. This is I don't know even what line this is from, but it's the Coconut Beach bronzer. This came out a while back, and they took their sweet time restocking it. So I'm really excited to finally have my hands on this. And then I picked up this because they restocked this one. Well, I wasn't really looking to buy this one, but I was like, why not? So it's like a pressed powdered cheek. So it's a blush. It's in the shade Fresh and Peachy. I thought the packaging is really cute, though. I don't remember how much I paid for this stuff. Like I said, I ordered it a while back. But there it is, very nice peachy color. And then because, like I said, I was trying to spend $30 so I'd get free shipping, I ended up picking up two of these cheek palettes that they've come out with. I know they came out with more recently, but this is from their first launch of the cheek palettes. So I got the shade Cookie Cluster and then the Extra Glazed. But one of these, unfortunately, came broken. I didn't contact them because it's the highlighter shade. So here's what it looks like. The broken one is the highlighter shade, and then these three are blushes. I didn't contact them and ask for a new one just because, honestly, I got it for the blushes mostly, and I don't know. I am lazy when it comes to that stuff. It doesn't bug me that much that's broken. I just pressed it back myself. It just kind of looks, I guess, not aesthetically pleasing, but that doesn't really bug me that much. And honestly, the shade is a little darker than I thought it was going to be, so I don't even know if I'm going to be able to use the shade. So I was just like, it's okay. So that was Cookie Cluster, and then Extra Glazed. When I first saw this one online, I thought that was a bronzer, but it's not. It's a blush, but that's okay. Just a very nice blush palette. So I'm really excited to try these. I've seen a lot on these. Not really reviews, but ColourPop's been advertising these a lot. But yeah, that's my little haul. This is what I've bought recently. But just FYI, I didn't buy this all at once. This is months of me accumulating new stuff, just picking up things here and there. I would say this is probably stuff I bought within the last month, maybe 2. Because, yeah, I do try not to buy a ton of makeup, but I do accumulate quite a bit. And that's why I do my declutter videos. But yeah, there you go. That is my little haul video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because that really does help out my channel here. And also let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of the things that I picked up recently. Do you have any of these in your collection? Are any of them your favorites? Let me know down in the comments because I love chatting with you guys. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!